What you do, you push this to the side and it'll come off like that, and then lift this thing straight out like this, because there's a hook looking right there. Put on one side, put in the back, and then you got the screw right here, Phillips. Now we're gonna just pull it out, straight out like that, because there's two clips right there. And then you got a Phillip, another Phillip right there. There might be some more somewhere over there, but you gotta go easy. Use one of these tools. What's that tool called? Door removal tools. There might be some. So now after you took the screw out, you're gonna pull it like this, or use one of the tool remover right there, plastic. Don't try to use the metal flathead, anything like that. I think it's probably best just to kind of shake it a little bit and go like this, and make sure you're not pulling more than an inch. Just keep it easy on that, and it'll come out like that. So leave it out here, and then now we got all this to take out. Pause. I took 3 screws out, 1, 2, 3. But one thing that I would remind on the Mitsubishi, if you remove this thing or put the key and turn the key on, the air bag will come on, stay on, unless you have the machine to remove it, to delete it, or to what you call that, erase it. Erased it, yeah. So don't remove this, and be careful. Do not put any metal, anything around here, or shorten this thing out. I don't know how much that will cost if that happens. You're gonna need an extension. If you don't have an extension, you use a regular Phillip, hand Phillip. What is gonna happen is the screw's gonna drop. So I'm gonna have to kind of. Oh, actually, what I can do, I can use the black tape and just tape around here. It's gonna at least sticks. Tape it like that. Kind of make it sticks a little bit. Oh, look at that. It works. See? Huh. Okay. Well, we got another one. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Once you get the 2 screw in, you're gonna have to go like this, pull it a little bit, and use this tool and just pull it out a little bit. It come out pretty easy right there. And then now you can remove the other screw right here. Oh, right there on the top. There's 2 top right there. This one and this one. The whole radio will come out. This is ancient Chinese secret, okay? so if you, so you go like that, it won't drop. You see that? Smart, huh? It don't drop. And right here, same way. Oh, I mean, I didn't fix it, so. But anyway, now you just pull the radio out. Whoa, that's a nice radio too. Uh-oh. I think they sent them the wrong one. Oh, shoot. Ooh. Well. Now I remove all the clip, this old clip from here to put on this new one right here. All you have to do is just take a flathead or a hook and push it like so, pull it down like this and pop it up, and make sure you put your hand right there so it don't pop in your eye or pop out and go search for it. And then now you got this part right here. You just take a flathead, push this out and push this out, and lift it up a little bit, about ½ inch, and then go that same side and take the screw out and should be out. We ran the GPS down there, from there all the way down, coming straight down and coming out this way. And also the Bluetooth mic is gonna come from here. We'll pull this thing off like this, like so. I just pull it down, it'll come down, and then run it through there, coming down over here and back here. And it's pretty simple. I mean, you see the holes right there, and you can grab it down from there. You can see my hand. And then plug. One thing, this one plug, it will say brake. It's a brown wire. You want to hook it up with the ground. That's for you to watch a video. And then I ran the USB to USB plug in the back over here. I ran it over there, right where the glove compartment at. Or some people can run it down there and bring it back this way. But the problem is this wire is short, so you don't want to do that. You want to just put it right there, and then they can just plug the USB male to this one. Since I plugged everything already right here, the GPS is plugged, the mic is plugged in, and I'm gonna plug the USB is plugged, and then the plug for the radio, I'm gonna plug it last because it's short. Well, actually it's not short, it's right there. I just plugged that in, and then the last one would be the antenna. Now the last one was that antenna. Now you want to line up the top one, and then you push it down. Line up this top one right there. Now we're not done yet, we're almost done. We got 3 screws to put on here. Make sure it's aligned in that hole. These are the 3 screws that we took off in the old one, the OEM.